The overall goal of this procedure is to obtain freestanding nanomembranes of conjugated microporous polymers.
This method can help to answer key questions in the field of conjugated microporous polymers, such as how to prepare thin films and freestanding membranes of usually insoluble materials.
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows the production and the transfer of uniform membranes with ultra-low and homogeneous thickness by performing a stepwise synthesis on sacrificial substrate.
Though this method can be applied for membrane separation, it can also be useful for other applications, such as organic electronics or heterogeneous catalysis. Demonstrating the procedure will be Yannick Träutlein, a technician from our lab.
Prepare the apparatus for CMP fabrication. Use a 500 milliliter one-neck round-bottom flask and add 300 milliliters of tetrahydrofuran or THF. Put a prepared substrate coated with alkyne-terminated self-assembled monolayer or SAM in the sample compartment. Use a sample holder so that the substrate is standing upright. Connect the apparatus to the Schlenk line via the junction on top of the reflux cooler. Evacuate and ventilate the apparatus with inert gas 3 times. Then, let THF out from the sample compartment over the outlet at the bottom of the sample compartment and close the outlet. Next, add 1 milliliter of a prepared TPM azide solution and 0.5 milliliters of a copper